Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is regarding what is mean by the default variable value with default value actually. Okay, so and how to shift variable value. Okay, you know the variable value. Okay, how to shift that value to another variable. Okay, or we can say another way that how to assign actually. Okay, the both thing, how to shift variable value, and also we get to know that how to assign a variable to another variable. Okay, so there are two cases, value shifting and a variable shifting. So we will check it down how this concept is. Now you will understand how much you get understand today's in today's lecture. Okay, so you know that what will be the output of this program. Surely you can say what is happening in here, that it's a value 22 values assigning in a. Okay, now a contains 22. Okay, if I'm putting in here, I am writing in here C out a, what will be the answer? The answer will be on the screen is 22. Okay, you will see on the screen when you do the program. Okay, so you will get the result 22 on the screen. So now if I say what does it mean by this, if I'm writing in here integer a, what's happening in here in technical, what is mean that in a memory there's a block. Okay, sure you know that in a block, and this block have a name which is a. Okay, but there's nothing in it. Okay, it contains nothing. Okay, just because we haven't given any value na. So this concept called as a variable declaration. What is concept is, this concept is known as variable declaration. Okay, so I want to know that which kind of value we will can add here. Definitely if I want to know that which this block contains which kind of value, text base. Okay, if I'm asking you text base or the you know number base, you must say must be a number in it. Okay, so now what will happen, what will be the result, if you want to know that what will be the result on the screen, because I already write that a in here, but I did that a. Now I writing here C out, I have written here the C out, and what is ever in the a show on the screen. So what will be the result? Now I will let you know that there's nothing in the a. You must say that, sir, there's nothing in the a just because we have not give any value to a. Okay, that's it, you know that. Okay, but now what will compiler do? When compiler come to this a, actually it will say this, what is this a? So it will say that this is a variable actually. So then it says itself that if a is a variable, it must contain value, but user didn't give any value. So what will it will do? It must give a default value. Okay, what it will do, that it will give him a value by itself. Let's suppose I will give you the example. If I say what is mean by the system programming, let's suppose if I say what do you mean by the application programming. Okay, what I already did in the class, that I asked you many time many question. If I ask you what is mean by the technology, somewhere say sir mobile. Okay, I say I don't want to know the which are the devices is a technology. I want to know the word, that what do you mean by the technology. Okay, so someone says something else. Okay, the wrong answer. It means that you have answers in your block memory. Okay, but the wrong answers. Okay, so and some have there no answer. Somebody says I don't know that answer. Okay, so now I let you know that you have actually put wrong answers in your memory blocks. So it is same like here, that if you are not giving value to a, so the compiler, you see what will it do, it give a default value to a. Okay, which can be 0 or some random numbers. Okay, so now you will be confused, sir, what will be there's something, if I say 0 then it must be 0, or if you say there's something random number like this 1 2 3 4 6 8, it now I choose any one, so I give you the answer that. So if you are using the code block, okay, if you are using the code block, you will get answer like this. You will get the answer like this result, this program. If you want to run this program, you will get the answer 1 2 3 4 6 6 for a. Okay, any random number. Okay, But if you are doing program in, we have online compiler, okay, we have online like a code block, we have online some kind of programs. You can write it down website and you can say you will get the answer. So for the compiler online in internet, you have the facility to write the program, okay. There is a web which is used for this purpose. So if you writing this program on that web, you will get the zero answer, okay. And now I will let you know that if you are writing the same program in dev, okay, in dev C++, okay, so what will be the answer? The answer will be the A. So now the three possibilities of this code, that it can be A, it can be 0, it can be 1, 3, 4, 6, 6. If I ask you in the exam, in the MCQs way, that what will be the result of this program, and I will give you the A is 1, the B option is 3, and the C is error, and the 4 is none of them. So I will 100% sure you will give the answer is none of them, okay. So definitely there is no error in it, and there is no one should be answer, there no will be 3, and there no will be, okay. So now I think you got it. So a compiler, or we can say that it will give a default value 0 or any random number value. So you must know that now A must contain number, not text, okay. Just because we have already mentioned in here, this is the integer type data, okay. So a number, now the number, we have different type of number actually. We have, the decimal number, 3.5, 9.5, we have whole number. So which number I can store. So you can say it's a whole number, okay, whole number, like 1, like 5, okay. And now if I say that what will the result of this program, I will let you know that the output will be this, the output will be this, any random number, but it will work for code block. And for the dev, the answer will be the A, and if you are going for the web, the answer will be the 0. And now student, if I am giving a value means that if I am giving A equal to 22, this concept called as a variable initialization. Now what I said, that if you are giving a value to A yourself, it will concept of variable initialization. It's your wish, you write, it's your wish actually, that you just go for the initial declaration and then you assign a value. It is also the right to program, and if you want to directly initialize, it also be acceptable. So it's your wish that you want to declare first and then assign a value, okay. So both cases are the right way to write. So in this way, that we have A is equal to 22 and B is declared here but not having any value, okay. So what I do, that I am giving a value right now, okay. I am just putting A in here. What I am doing in here, A. Now the compiler will come in this manner, that what is this A. Now A is a variable, and you also can give value to A like this, okay. So it will be acceptable that A, now B requires a number actually, B requires a number, but the C++ give you permission, you can write variable as well, because when compiler come here, it will say what is this A, and it has the meaning that it's a variable, and definitely it's a variable, it contains some value. So the 22 will be assigned to here as well, okay. So now the B is 22. So what will be the answer? 22, okay. And I want to know that what will be the answer of this program. Who will let me know by commenting, by giving me comments on this? So surely you will say to me, sir, that the answer will be 24, okay, surely. So what will be the output? What will be the output of this program? And the answer is 44, okay. And now the most important right now, okay. Now let me know by posting. Okay, just comment session, the comment section, give me the answer that what will be the output of this program. Okay, so I want to know who is among you the first, before I will let you know that what the answer. So I'm going to tell you right now that what will be the answer. Okay, so first I'm going to mention you that in here that this A contains what, a block. Okay, and in block there's a name of variable, this is A, and it contains 22. So we have now again an integer, and then we have a B, so we have another block with containing name B. And now this A means that we have two values. Okay, right now, so it means that 20 plus by 22 plus by 22. Okay, and then what will be the answer, 44, but this another sign plus, so it means that we have to add again, we have to add here. And then the B is, now compiler want to check that what is this B. So B is, now B have a variable, but it is not any, we have not yet assigned any value. You know that B is something that yet not assigned, because it in the process. Okay, it in the process, we have not giving value to yet A, so it moved toward the B, looking to the B, and B is here, and B is in the process, because after this process done it will give the error value. But yet we are in the mid, we have 44 but plus, and now we are confusing on this B, the what will be the B. So B is actually nothing. Compiler will say that we are in the process, we have not yet get the answer complete. So B, I will give you the value to B. So what will do, the compiler will give itself a value. Okay, so the default value given to the B. Okay, so if you are using the compiler, if you are using the code block will give a value to B is this 7208832. Okay, so this is the value which given by the compiler, you can say it. Okay, so now as I told you that compiler have two options. Okay, oh, actually the one option right now in the code block, and in the web it contains default value. So now the B value is given by the compiler, which is any random number. Okay, so now we have B value is this. Okay, so it will add to the 44, and the result will be something which we don't expect, and it will be this. Okay, but if you are using dash C++, the answer will be, I will let you know that. Now you let me know that first. Okay, then I will let you know. Okay, so I think so now you got it, what does it mean by this program. Okay, so hope so students, today you got the lecture, and I think so it's a meaningful lecture for you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.